Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. So, dear learners, today we are starting the next, the tense. We are basically covering in the start the use of introductory word it and there, and now today we are going to start use of is, am, are, was, and were. Let me repeat the word. These are the verbs. As I have already told you in a part of speech section, these are being verbs. Is, am, are, was, were. The word is was, not was. Was. So today we will discuss the use of is, am, are, was, and were. So let's have a look towards these sentences because these are very important in use. With the help of some sentences, we can better understand their implementation and their usage. Let's have a look. पाकिस्तान मेरा प्यारा वतन है. Pakistan is my dear country, or Pakistan my beloved homeland. Pakistan is my dear homeland. Is Pakistan is my dear homeland. ये कीमती घड़ी है. ये कीमती घड़ी है. This is a costly watch. This is a costly watch. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. वो तमाम तालिबे इल्म अच्छे हैं. वो तमाम तालिबे इल्म, वो तमाम अच्छे तालिबे इल्म हैं. वो तमाम अच्छे तालिबे इल्म हैं. They all are good students. They all are. The word is all. They all are good students. Students. They all are good students. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. चाय गरम थी. चाय गरम थी. The tea was hot. The tea was hot. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. पहाड़ की चोटी बुलंद थी. पहाड़ की चोटी बुलंद थी. The top of the hill was high. The top of the hill was high. The word is high. H-I-G-H. The top of the hill, पहाड़ की चोटी. The top of the hill was high. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. हमारे सिपाही बहादुर थे. Our soldiers were brave. हमारे सिपाही बहादुर थे. Our soldiers were brave. गली में रोशनी ना थी. गली में रोशनी ना थी. There was no light in the street. There was no light in the street. There was no light in the street. So the word there is an introductory word or subject filler because it comes in the start. There was no light in the street. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. क्या धूप तेज है. क्या धूप तेज है. Is the sun hot? We can convey the message. Is the sun hot? Let's have a look towards the last sentence. तुम इतने खुश क्यों हो. तुम इतने खुश क्यों हो. Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? So dear learners, in these sentences we have learned the use of is, am, are, was, and were. These are used, these 5 words were used in these sentences as a main verb because verb is a compulsory part of a sentence. Verb is a compulsory part of a sentence. So these words is, am, are, was and were, they were used in these sentences as main verbs. But these verbs are also used as helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. These words are also used as helping verbs. But in these sentences, these are used as main verbs. So these five main verbs are also called being verbs. Being, B-E-I-N-G, being verbs. So now I will try to discuss the grammar portion with the help of these sentences that are written on the board. We will try to know each part of speech. You know, what is the part of speech behind these words? We will try to learn. Let's have a look. Pakistan, this is, noun. So we can say it's a proper noun. Is verb. This is being verb. My, this is, my, this is pronoun. Possessive pronoun. My dear, is adjective. Homeland, it's a noun. Next, this, we have already, this is descriptive pronoun. This descriptive pronoun. Is verb. And which kind of verb? Being verb. This is an article. As we have already read that there are two types of article. An article are parts of, basically adjective. So this is indefinite article. This is a costly watch. So the costly is adjective because it is adding in the meaning of watch. This is qualifying the word watch. So that's why this is called adjective. Watch is noun. Next is they. It's a pronoun. All. What is this? Adjective. Are. Being verb. Good. Adjective. Students. Noun. This all is, we can say this all is adjective as well as adverb. The word the is an article. And which kind of article? This is definite article. Tea, noun. Was, verb. Being verb. Hot, adjective, because it is highlighting the meaning of, noun. This is adjective. Let's move. The article, definite article. Top of the hill. This is adjective phrase, because there are three words. Top of the, this is adjective phrase. Hill, noun. Since there are three words, 1, 2 and 3, top of the. Hill is noun, so this is adjective phrase. Was, verb. High, adjective. This top of the hill is also, we can say, this is noun phrase, but this, if we see separately, so this is adjective phrase as well. Our soldiers, our, This is pronoun, possessive pronoun. Soldiers, soldiers, noun. Verb, verb. This is verb. Brave. This is adjective because this is a quality of noun. So next, there. This is an introductory word. We have already discussed this is also a subject filler. But we grammatically we say is descriptive pronoun. Descriptive pronoun. Was, verb. No, adjective. Light, noun. In, preposition. The, article. Street, noun. Is, verb. The, article. Sun, noun. Hot, adjective. Why are you so happy? Why? Why? This is pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Are, verb. You, pronoun. This is second person pronoun. So, adjective. Happy, noun.